So here we have a more practical example to showcase that when you just got a PDF form that you do not know what kind of structure it has, how you could utilize the JSON schema to help you identify what kind of data it expects. So here on the right side, I have a PDF from the US government's website. And this is a application of US passport. And the last two pages of this PDF makes up a very good candidate to showcase the schema. And this PDF form has some text fields. It also has a lot of radio buttons. So as you can see, this is a group, this is another group, and then there are dozens more on the second page as well. I have not yet seen a checkbox, but we shall see when there is one, because we will be seeing a Boolean value when we generate a schema for this PDF form. So let's take a look at this one. Before we start, I do need to download it. And then let me just create a new Python file, unlike the one we have been using to create a PDF forms from scratch. Let's call it existing.py. And in here, we will need the JSON library to do our schema dump. And then let's also import PyPDFForm PDF wrapper. In this case, our PDF is PDF wrapper. And then it is this ds11pdf.pdf, the one we just downloaded. And then let's do print JSON.dumps, much like we did before with the script that creates a PDF form from scratch. And then let's do pdf.schema. Let's go ahead and run that, Python existing.py. And as you can see, the schema for this PDF form is a lot compared to our own script, because there are a lot more fields compared to the one we created from scratch, and it's hardly readable. So instead, let's do that and type in it to JQ, and we got a more readable schema for this PDF form. So let's take a look at it. Perhaps applicant address. So we have address city, address state. I'm assuming it's somewhere on the first page. So it's right here. So we have address city and address state. As you can see, address state only takes up to 2 characters because of the max length 2, and we can see that is indeed the case in the PDF form. Same thing goes with the address city. It only allows up to 14 characters. Probably true. It's so let's see, 5, 10, 14. Yeah, so it does allow up to 14 characters. What else do we have? Let's see. We have parent 1 US citizen. Let's see. Okay, parental information. So likely right here. So we have 2 parental information section that with the same header. So likely that is what, parent 1 US citizen. So maybe this. So that looks like a radio group because these 2 looks like 2 radio buttons under the same group. So and that is correct, because parent 1 US citizen is an integer with a maximum value of 1, so 0 and 1. I'm assuming this is parent 2 US citizen. Yep, right here. So it's also an integer that takes up to a maximum value of 1 because it's a radio group. What else? Do we have any checkbox in this form? Oh, we do. So let's see, bulk status stolen. What does that mean? Right here. So US passport book. Status of book. Okay, actually, let me zoom in a little because this is getting hard to read. So, right here we have status of book. So we have submitting with the application. So book status submitting, I suppose, and it's a Boolean value because it's. I hope these are okay. Great. So these are not radio group. These are checkbox of their own. So, which does reflect on our schema. Book status submitting. So this one. And then we have stolen, which is likely this one, and lost, lost, and then possession, possession. Oh, okay, great. So our schema does reflect checkboxes as well. So as you can see, even for a more complex PDF form that we just got arbitrarily from the internet, the PyPDFForm is able to generate a JSON schema that structurizes what kind of data it needs in order to fill this random PDF form, right?